In this video, I wanted to change it up a bit with the series that I'm doing, the Riding in Comfort series, and I wanted to take a different approach. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to change it up a bit with the series that I'm doing, the Riding in Comfort series. I wanted to take like a different approach of like maybe instead of putting music covering the background noise for me driving, I just put what I'm hearing and the sound of the car. I know that right now it doesn't really sound the best, and to really hear like the sound of the exhaust or the sound of the car, I really have to like give it some power. I'll just throw in a couple of clips from this episode of the car ride that I'm doing. So I'm actually on the road that I said that I wanted to do my last episode, which is the road by the water, and it's almost sunset time, so I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but yeah, there's a nice sunset and you can see the water, so hopefully it shows on camera. And yeah, it's a really nice road. It's the Aviation Parkway, so if you're from Ottawa or the region surrounding it, you might know about this place. And it's not a street with a fast speed limit. The limit here is actually 60 kilometers per hour, so cars aren't going too fast, but it's a nice drive, and it's a nice road to take on your way downtown. I'm also hoping that my windshield isn't too dirty, but yeah, so here's the view that I have right now, and it's a really nice road. So the couple bad things about this road is that obviously with a nice road like that, there's a lot of bikers, so you always have to be careful, and there's also a lot of cops, so that's another thing to be careful of. So that's the Aviation Museum. It's a really nice place. Hopefully the GoPro picks it up, but I'm using my phone camera also to try and get the view. Also, with the weather we've been having, with like a little more cloudy days, the sunsets have been super nice. Like the sky just becomes red or purple. Hopefully it picks it up in this video. But yeah, we're almost downtown, and this road just has some of the best views in Ottawa, in my opinion. know, the one way here. There's a downtown Ottawa. Hard to see. That's actually the house of the Prime Minister. Well, it was, but with all the renovation, I don't think he's living there right now. And we're now downtown Ottawa. So you can see the Parliament. So thanks everyone for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel if you want to see some more content from me. You can also check out my Instagram page for my car, Blue Beast RT, where I post some pictures of my car. So thanks everyone. Have a good one.